Hi guys, it's me Arati Giri. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give brief introduction about ArcGIS software. I hope you already installed it. If you don't and if you don't know how to install it, check the description. I already provided the video link of ArcGIS installation process. If you want to learn more from my future videos, please hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and also do like, comment and share to your friend. Without any delay, let's start.
I'm going to open ArcMap. For this, I'm going to search ArcMap and just open it. This is the basic interface of ArcMap software. Here you can see file, edit, view, bookmarks, insert and so on in the menu bar. In file, you can see different things. Here you can create new map document and you can also open existing map document. You can save the map document and you can also save your current map document to the different location, and from here you can also add data. I will show you in the future videos. And one more thing, you can also set up your page for the print. Here you can set your size and orientation of the page and so on. Just cancel it. You can also preview your printed map document, and you can also print the map document. From here you can export your map in different format. Here you can see different formats are available. Normally we export our data in JPG, PNG and PDF format. Cancel it. Back to the edit. You can undo the last action. You also redo. And you can cut, copy, paste, delete your selected item. And you can also copy map to the clipboard. And you can do so many things in the edit. Coming to the view, you can see data view and layout view. These are, we also found these in the bottom. You can see two icons. One represents data view and another represents layout view. Go to the layout view, and this is the place where you can adjust your processed map. You also change the orientation of the map. You also insert title of the map and you give some text. You can also insert legend, north arrow, scale bar, scale text, and you can also insert picture and object. If you change from layout view to data view, this is the data view, and this is the place where you can process your data. You can visually analyze your data. Here you can create and manage bookmarks. In selection, you can do different things. You can select your feature by their attribute, graph, location and so on. And come to the most important menu, geoprocessing. Here you can see buffer, clip, intersect, union, merge, dissolve. These are the major tools of the geoprocessing. You can find these tools on Arc Toolbox. So I'm going to open this. You can see different categories are available. There are subcategories, and these are the tools that we use for different purpose. I'm going to close it. In geoprocessing, we can see the result from where we can review the geoprocessing step we have performed, that is happened or not. Come to the customize, you can see toolbars. These are the available toolbars. You can enable these toolbars for different purpose. Now I will show you what are the major things that you have to keep on your basic interface of this software. For this, go to customize, then go to toolbars, and we also go to toolbars by right clicking on here. Now I'm going to enable standard toolbar. This is the standard toolbar. We can do different things using this toolbar. And also I'm going to enable editor. Now I'm going to drag it and locate it where I prefer. Also, I'm going to enable toolbar. This is the tools toolbar. We can do lots of things using this tools toolbar. From here we can zoom in, zoom out, and so on. Now I'm going to drag it, and here it looks better. And one more thing, after installing your ArcMap, you have to enable the extension to do so. First of all, you have to go to customize and go to the extension and tick on the extension. Sometimes there may not be ticks on this extension, so you have to tick each and every extension that you want to use. I already ticked this extension. You can see catalog and source box. While working, if you mistakenly cancel source and catalog, and if you don't know how to keep these boxes in the interface, then don't panic. I'm going to show. For these, go to the window, then click on catalog. Here you can see catalog, then auto hide it. And we do same thing for the source. We go to window, then click on source, and here you click on source, and here you can see source box and auto hide it. And we also have to keep table of content in the interface, so we do same things. And we go to, for this we go to window and click on table of content. Here you can see table of content. You can locate it where you prefer to locate. Just tag it and place. I prefer this in previous location, so I placed it back. I'm going to open catalog. Here you can navigate folder connection. You can connect to the folder if you have already stored GIS data in your hard drive. Back to the source. Source is the most important. You can search maps, data, tools, images, and if you don't know what you are actually sourcing, then you can source it here. I'm going to auto hide it. This is the basic arrangement that you have to keep on your ArcMap interface, where you are going to do GIS and remote sensing related different stuff. I hope you get the basic idea from this video. For more videos, do like, comment, subscribe and share to your friends. Have a good day.